body, death. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, let's view the release of butterfly. Now, instead of dove, ito na yung current na trend ngayon. So instead of dove, it's butterflies, okay? So this also symbolizes their togetherness as they journey to their story called life. Okay? So, are you going to count? Count down tayo, right? Okay, sige. Count down, sige. Okay, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow!